Alright, I'm about to have a meat party. We're just gonna take and dump. Oh. Oops. Alright, we're gonna dump all these sauces into here, mustards, everything. And then we're gonna use some of our dollar store apple cider vinegar. And pause for the cause. Alright. Used our apple cider vinegar to clean out what was left. And then we want some mustard. Let's recycle these. I have some leftover Valentina hot sauce. And this is how I clean out my refrigerator. Alright, I think I got all the hot sauce out. Not a lot of acidity, not a lot of salt, not bad. And then let's do the mustards. So pause for the cause. A little bit more apple cider vinegar. Cleaned out the one mustard, cleaning out the other. Now that is a lot of barbecue marinade. Mix it up. To me, barbecue sauce and mustard go hand in hand. Plus, if you look up how good mustard is, you could be on an Atkins diet. It's excellent. No carbs. Mustard has a anti-something that I'm not allowed to promote, but mustard cures on Google and you find out. And there's my marinade for my pressure cooker. Give it a taste. Yummy. And that's how I clean up my fridge.